Hi everyone, this is practice formative of chapter 4, question number 32. A quiz team of 10 players is to be chosen from a class of 8 boys and 12 girls. So we have 8 boys and 12 girls. So out of this group of students, we got to choose 10 players. Now, the number of different teams that can be formed if the number of boys is equal to the number of girls. So in this case, it's quite specific. We need 10 players, therefore must be 5 boys followed by 5 girls. So how do we choose that? So from the boy, out of 8, we choose 5. And from the girl, out of 12, we choose 5. So let's key into the calculator. Let's key in 8, we choose 5, followed by 12, we choose 5. So 44,352 ways, 44,352 different teams that can be formed. And next, part B, the number of different teams that can be formed if the number of girls is more than the number of boys. Okay, the number of girls is more than the number of boys. So let's put the girl here, the boy there. So the moment the number of girls is more than the boy is when girl we have 6 of them, boy we have 4. Okay, the total must add up to be 10. So 7, 3, 8, 2, 9, 1. Okay, only this. Now we don't choose 10. Because it say the number of girls is more than the number of boys, there must be boy in the team. Otherwise, how do we do the comparison? So only up to 9 girls and 1 boy. Okay, do not choose 10 girls and no boys. Okay, therefore we have 1, 2, 3, 4 scenarios. So each scenario they are mutually exclusive. They don't occur at the same time. So the number of different teams that can be formed will be, for the girls, 12, we choose 6, followed by the boy, 8, we choose 4, or 12, we choose 7, followed by 8, we choose 3, or 12, we choose 8, followed by 8 boys, we choose 2, or 12 girls, we choose 9, followed by 8 boys, we choose 1. All right, only this 4 different selection. So let's put in, okay, 8C4, overwrite it, and 12C6, 64,680, 64,680, followed by, okay, 8C3, and 12C7, 44,352. 44,352 ways. Continue. 8C2, 12C8, 13,860 ways. 13,860 ways. Continue with 8C1 and then 12C9. 1,760 ways. So let's add all this number. So we have 64,680 plus with 44,352 plus 13,860, and then plus the last answer, 1,760. So we have all in all 124,652 ways. 124,652 ways. That's for part B. Okay, next part C. We need to find the number of different teams that can be formed if Kamal and Ali, as well as Fatima and Maymay, must be chosen. So since these 4 people must be chosen, so out of the 8 boys, Kama and Ali must be chosen. So we left with the remaining 6 boys to choose to form the team. And for the 12 girls, Fatima and Mei must be chosen. Therefore, we left with the remaining 10 students to choose. Okay, so all in all, the one that we need to choose from is 10 plus the 6. Therefore, we have 16 students to choose from. Okay, we left with 16 students to choose the remaining 6 players. 16, we choose 6, 8,008 ways. So 8,008 ways that we can form the team. All right, that's it for question number 32.